our world enters a new phase of war. An era is taking place in which technology and artificial intelligence dominates us. Digital technology is becoming where every this is how man's need has become. Military forces are also full of technology. Today, we are forced to invent weapons. Such weapons of modern and future technology, going to see without whom, perhaps now, jam may not be possible to conduct military operation. Hashu vines once again in TV video. It seemed that M-Boot was only in video games or found only, but the reality is that it exists in real life too. Sniper in real life have to face challenges in which wind speed, fog dust, and above all moving. The challenge is to shoot the target. To simplify, hit your target well. Only once recognizes and then exists within it. Optical guidance system itself takes you towards the target. Then, of course, even if the target is in moving position. As you can see in this video, the most important thing about sniper rifle and bullet is this. Is it possible for some of those trend shooters to also do this? There may be numbers of military operations, sometimes due to mud and water, during movement of vehicles and trucks headache. Now it becomes necessary to avoid this situation. Folding rods began to be used as an 8x8 truck with this folding road. It is kept inside 165 within 10 minutes. Feet of road can be laid with aluminum. This road became a prison weighing more than 90 tons. Its special feature is that it is 4 feet, can be laid even underwater, military trucks slipping in mud. He can easily do this. Shallow reverse over folding road also can cross after completion of low. It is also very easy to fold it back. And automatic process number 7 is this one. It is not a small group in which bullets are cast. Rather, fill it with batteries instead of bullets. This is a drone that goes 2 kilometers. Hall can jam drones even at a distance. Due to the emergence of drone technology, and we also want to see such amazing aerial shots. See you today. Take it with a normal camera? Not possible, but this drone is wrong. Use has ensured the security of the entire world, as if the agencies are in trouble. President of Venezuela in 2018 tried to attack through a drone. When he was giving a speech full of joy, plastic on 2 drones in accident. Explosive was planted, which for some reason got fat in the air along with this variety. This weapon is allowed to survive 56-inch long and playing 7 notes. This cube is a special type of radio frequency thrown, the connection of the drone with its operator. As a result, the drone chariot breaks. Return home function is activated, goes, and it goes back and lands there. It's like where it took off from. Radio frequency chamber of Milan can reduce even further. This order was used during the Asian Games in 2019. With the help of 7 commercial drones, he was thrown out of the way because he flying in a prohibited area. From where the president of the Philippines, the helicopter had to pass through Drungen's help. If they are not removed on time, then a major accident could also have caused the number. 6 drones at most, but if break connection with the operator. Skywell if you want to take possession of a drone. British company can buy 100 bazookas. With drones in this wazoo of open works, there is an option to be physical. It is called a drone. If fired by pointing towards, it throws a net that covers the entire drone. Grips it, and then a parachute is attached to it, which dispenses automatically and slowly. The number, slowly, brings censored enemy video, even at night. Have the ability to capture, right? Not only this, but it also has ultrasonic sound. Boys are also engaged in this terrible undersea in the ocean. Water submarine and ship 150 kilometers. You can detect this number even at a distance. Everyone knows that service dogs, party and military and police around the world are done. They can also reduce those who, maybe it's not a human being's cup of tea, to detect a mine or planted bomb from a distance. Songlina for the protection of service dogs. These goggles, named Rack Specs, are ready for made with wireless camera. Provides live feed to officers no matter what time of the day. Waterproof, whether it is light or dark night. Besides having a radio system has also been composed through which real time can also be given to these instructions. And now, number 1 is the Black Knight transformer with 8 engines and roots. As far as it is capable of walking on low ground, This is at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. Runs and airs as soon as needed. This is a height of 10,000 feet for transport. TACD can fly 31 feet long and 19 feet wide. This flying truck is of its own size due to cargo drops and injuries. For the purpose of evacuating foreign soldiers, can be brought to take off from the battlefield. After this, land at a safe spot and drive. Begins to hurt the injured. Time saved for transfer to ambulance. Hopefully, this video will also be from Hashu Vines. You guys like and share a lot. Thank you very much for your loving comments. In the next great video,